I'd like to take a minute and talk about a topic that I think is far more prevalent in the workplace than most of us would like to admit and doesn't get enough attention. And that's talking about the interaction between men and women in teams and within the companies. From my experience, some of the best teammates have always been female coworkers that are stepping up, taking on extra responsibility, always looking out for the best interests of their teammates and even others, clients, prospects, others around them, which is to be commended, which is amazing. However, it also can get to a point where it's taking on too much responsibility, overwhelming, and even getting to the point of burnout. And I think it's our responsibility to make sure that we're looking out for these amazing individuals within our team. And I've seen, again, from my experiences, both men and women that have stepped back and watched and let this happen. To the gentlemen, I'd like to say, do you have an environment, a company, a team where you're allowing some of this to happen? And are you leading by example to step up and make sure they have the tools and the resources and the help they need so they don't feel like they have to do this to get ahead? And at the same time, you can retain company culture and morale and a great employee. You don't want them to go. Ladies, I haven't walked a mile in your shoes, so I'm going to step gingerly. But I also want to make certain that you feel empowered in your team or in your company to ask for help. A long time ago, I learned that asking for help is a sign of strength, not a sign of weakness. And if you need some help, even if you don't feel comfortable reaching out to somebody on your team or in your company, make sure you reach out to somebody. Heck, reach out to me, and we'll figure out a way to make sure that you can move up in your career, be happy with your team, be productive, but you can be appreciated and you're not going to get burned out in the process. I do think this is a very delicate matter. I also think it's critically important to make certain that we're all looking out for one another in good times and in bad, but also to make sure that we all have each other's back, to make sure that we're happy and successful in our careers, and to make sure that we're not getting overwhelmed, overloaded, and burned out.